Hi everyone! It's been a while, so I actually charged my batteries to vlog yesterday and I forgot it, and then I forgot it today. So I'm on my phone. I'm just back to vlogging my car. It is already the end of the day. I just got off work and I'm heading over to pick up my son. I might stop over at Costco real quick, but yeah. Yesterday went by so fast. We woke up super early and we were gonna take our son to see The Grinch, but before we go see the movie, we had to go have the pancakes.
Everest. Who's this? The Grinch. What are we gonna do today? What are we doing today? We're gonna go see the Grinch movie. So we thought we'd get some Grinch pancakes first.
The green one.
The green one.
Heart.
There's hearts on it, yeah. Yeah. Tell mommy you want to see the movie?
Yeah.
You?
Yeah.
You see, there's the Grinch and that's his dog. Who's that?
Stayed up throughout the whole movie. He loved it. It was really cute because it's just recent where he can actually sit through a movie. Not that we watch many, but he was sick the other day and we downloaded Incredibles 2 for him and he watched it at least twice, I think. Not back to back, but within the same day. So it's been kind of fun where he can actually sit down and pay attention, and then every now and then he'll ask me questions like, what's that? Or like, there's a monkey or something. It's been quite busy, so I have been back to creating my holiday cards this past month, and I just sent it out to be printed yesterday, and hopefully tonight I will be able to print out not print out, but I will be able to send out to the printers some wrapping paper and some gift tag ideas that I have. I missed vlogging. I really missed vlogging. When you don't vlog, you just want to vlog all over again. I also watched the owner of Patreon. I forgot what his name was, but he did a video on this popular YouTuber and he talked about why her videos are so good. And they're mostly vlogs. I didn't know about her, and I watched the video and she is like basically scripted, even her vlogs. Just all the thought that goes into it got me inspired to vlog again. So here I am. I thought I would vlog and every now and then add some other things. It has been quite a busy month, and it is probably the busiest time of the year with the holidays coming up. So I'm not going to promise anything, but I'm going to do my best. I can't stop watching David Dobrik's videos. Anybody else have that problem? I love that they are just 4 minutes and 20 seconds long, and they're so quick and they're funny, and he's cracking up. Like, someone needs to make a YouTube video on how to make David Dobrik vlog videos, because it's basically like his whole week or 2 weeks chopped up into one, and then he puts like the other pieces of that week into another video and another video, so you only get like the highlights of every day. Also, I started watching him because of Trisha Paytas. As much as people may think things about Trisha, she was one of the most nicest people and most business savvy person I have ever met. I worked with a really good handful of YouTubers with my husband for some YouTube gigs, but out of them all, Trisha is really one of the nicest people. So I I'm secretly rooting for her. I actually enjoy watching some of her videos, and now that she's dating Jason, I think it's just a really funny combo. So I watch it. And then I'm really into David Dobrik and his friends. It's just so freaking funny. It's like a good little, like, 4 minutes to just get out of your head, watch something silly, and go back. So anyways, that's been my thing recently. I just was listening to Jason Horton's podcast, and he interviewed my husband. So if any of you are interested, his podcast is called Friends with Benefits. And he came over and interviewed Sunny, and I was listening to it, and then somewhere towards the end, I guess, they talk about me, and they think I'm cool. I don't know about that. I don't know if they were just like, I don't know, making a joke or something, but it was really nice. They've known each other for a very, very long time, and they've created some very interesting videos. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, I love Jason and his wife, and they're good people. So if you guys want a good podcast to listen to, Friends with Benefits, Jason knows so many people, and his little pieces of humor in there, which makes it extra entertaining for me. But yeah, the sun goes down way faster now.
Oh, hi.
You okay?
What's going on?
Good morning. Yesterday I totally forgot to keep vlogging. We had to clean the house because we just recently started renting out our house for locations, for shoots and stuff, because we get so many compliments, and so we thought, let's try it out, and if it helps pay our mortgage, why not? I'm here at work, and I always try to get here a little early so that I can draw a little bit, but there's a lot of traffic today, so I don't think I will be able to draw, but we'll see. But this is always my favorite view from the parking lot. I love that you can see the city through the buildings. Go onto Google Maps and put the row in. You'll see that that tree and a lot of this didn't exist just a few years ago. So it really makes you appreciate everything that they've done so far. But yeah, I'm the bag lady. Got my computers and my bag they got me. My lunch is also in my bag. This is my outfit of the day. Just a big oversized t-shirt and my little Japanese like jacket. Nope. Alright, that means I've got some time to draw. Let's go over there. Sorry you guys that I'm not wearing any makeup. It is a weekend and I've been having a hectic day. You can tell by my hair. But I totally forgot. I ordered this from my friend C. Kim. She is a metal worker and I had ordered an incense holder. And I just got it yesterday and I haven't opened it, so I'm gonna open it right now. Oh, there's a little note in there. That's so cute. She's got her game down for packaging. It comes like in a little pouch. And it is, says always dreaming. That's something that I wanted to put. I know it's real cheeseball, but I am a dreamer, so I always burn Palo Santo sticks. Don't tell my husband because he doesn't like it. But she also added like a really small incense holder in there. And that's because her and we both love bees, and we can put it in there and it holds it. Yeah! Look how cool. Oh, it's so pretty. It needs like a really nice corner. I think she's working on her website, so I'll post her Instagram down below first and you guys can check it out. But she makes like really cool jewelry. Hopefully she'll start making more of these. Anyways, today I was able to ship out the mystery packs, which I'm still creating over here in the corner. Creating the mystery packs, which is a $5 mystery pack for 5 greeting cards. So it's time to stock up, you guys. And for the first 10 people, I am going to give a free enamel pin. And I've been attaching my favorite coffee por favor pins. So those are going out. I actually just came back from the post office, so that went out. And I got to use all of my support small businesses from American Express. It's crazy how like if you sign up and put your name and business in, they send you all these things like tape and packaging, even a tote bag to carry all of your orders in. But yeah, I thought it was really cool that they do that. Like you can put this in your store window. They even have like little postcards for everyone. I'm expecting my holiday cards to be here sometime next week, and I'm going to launch them, I'm thinking either Black Friday or Small Business Saturday. So if you guys are interested, please come over and check out my Instagram for my greeting cards, which is New Moon Paper Goods. Or you can go to my website, newmoonpaper.com, and I'll be posting things there. I also have a few wrapping paper ideas that I want to make. So I am going to work on that in a minute. I got the Real Simple Holiday magazine today, and I'm just gonna look at like gift wraps, like what's trending, and just get more in the mood. Oh, it even comes with little gift tags. I wanted to do that too, but I'm not sure. Anyways, I have to work on that, so. But I thought I'd just let you guys know that things are happening. If you want to know more, go to my site. If you want to see how my son wraps gifts, it's like this. I was wrapping all the orders, and he said he wanted to do it too, so this is what he did. That's my little coaster, by the way. Sorry this vlog is kind of all over the place. Thank you guys for watching till the end, and I will vlog soon. I have a vlog. I will be vlogging soon, and I also have a lot of video ideas. I just need to find the time to do it. But they'll be going up very soon. And I guess you're supposed to hit the bell button so you get notifications when my videos go up, and also hit the like button if you like vlogs. I'll see you very soon. Bye.